Best Windows settings for higher FPS before spending money on hardware. There are settings in Windows that genuinely affect frame rate, and most people never touch them. Here's the list worth working through. Start with Graphics Preference. Open Settings, System, Display, Graphics, find your game, and set it to high performance, which matters enormously on a laptop with 2 graphics chips. In the same area, turn on Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling if your hardware supports it. Next, Power. Set power mode to best performance, and on a laptop make sure it's plugged in because battery mode caps performance hard. Then close what's competing. Browser tabs, Cloud Sync, Overlays, and Capture Software all take resources. Turn on Game Mode. Disable full screen optimizations for problem titles in the executables compatibility properties. Set your monitor to its full refresh rate in advanced display settings, since Windows sometimes defaults to 60, and keep your graphics driver current.